Well, I decided to fire the old sawmill back up. Then cut this little old cedar log here. What we're going to do is kind of give you a walkthrough on our new homemade hillbilly scale here. See, we put a video up on how that works. It's pretty neat because you can actually turn. I think it's like one click is well, let me see here. I'll tell you right now. I don't remember, but we're gonna see. Okay, we're at about 15 and almost 3/8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 clicks is oops, sorry about that, I missed that part. 12 clicks is 1 inch. Pretty stable when you do it that way. We had a different setup before on this old sawmill. We just want to change it to see how things would change as we went along. But anyhow, we're going to fire this old thing up. This is an old blade that we took, and it's not a bimetal blade. It's one of them $30 cheap blades. We resharpened it with our homemade sharpening mechanism we made in there on one of our other videos, and we're going to see if it'll cut this old cedar. Cedar's pretty soft lumber, so I don't think we'll have much of a problem with it. But let's see what she does. Here we go. Been a nice piece, you know, right at the end of that. Wash that one off and see what she looks like.